All right, here we have restore number 77. It's 1958 Johnson 7.5 AD-12. It's a full restore out here on the Bayou for a test run. So this restore has brand new starter rope, starter handle, magneto completely rebuilt, condensers, coils, points, carburetor completely rebuilt. Have the upgraded fuel pump to a single line from the 2-line upgrade. Have rebuilt gear case, all seals, impeller, pressure tested, completely taken apart, cleaned, painted, and decaled. She's really a sweet one. So this is a warm start. I've been running it. It does about 12 miles an hour on my 14-foot John boat. So let's give her a pull here and see how she runs. She's a runner. As I said, she pushes my John boat about 12, 13 miles an hour. Absolutely great. Couldn't be happier with her. Number 77. See, Mike brings them back to life. Hope you enjoyed the video. We're doing it one motor at a time. Okay, here she is, restored number 77. It's a 1958 7.5 horsepower Johnson, completely rebuilt, restored, bottom to top. Changed all the seals, all the gaskets, spaghetti seals, impeller, everything in the lower unit. Completely taken apart, painted, retrofitted with the new single line fuel system, rebuilt the carburetor, completely rebuilt the ignition magneto, spark plug wires, coils, points, condensers, new starter rope, new starter handle, new plugs. There's a fuel pump conversion on her. I'm gonna take her outside and do a cold start. Hopefully she'll crank right up, dial in the carburetor, and turn it loose. Here we go. Hope you enjoyed the video. Here at Team Bikes Vintage Outboards, we're doing it one motor at a time. Please click on subscribe or guarantee to provide weekly videos. Au revoir mes amis and laissez les bon temps rouler.